Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can add your Costco card to Apple Wallet. It's really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, what you're going to do is you want to open up the Costco app on your smartphone. And if you don't have the app yet, guys, you want to download it from the App Store and you want to log into your account using your Costco membership details. And once you're logged in, guys, you want to locate your digital membership card within the app. This is usually available in the main menu or under the membership section. Okay. Now what you want to do, guys, is you want to look for the option to add to Apple Wallet. Just tap on it and a pop-up will appear confirming the action. And the next, guys, what you want to do is you want to follow the prompts to finalize adding your Costco card to your Apple Wallet. And once done, guys, you can access it anytime by opening the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. And that's it, guys. You have successfully added your, Costco card to your Apple Wallet, and it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.